Hello everyone, this is your Ashwini. Today we are going to learn about the topic is Little Raindrops. In the last video already we discussed this poem. Okay, now we are going to learn the grammar part and little bit part of this poem Little Raindrops. Okay. A Roman, fill in the blanks. First one, the raindrops make a dash sound. What is the sound of raindrops? Yes, pitter patter, pitter patter. What is the sound, ma? Pitter patter, pitter patter. So you have to write the first blank is pitter patter, pitter patter. Spelling is P-I-T-T-E-R, pitter, hyphen, patter. P-A-T-T-E-R, patter, comma, pitter, hyphen, patter. Okay, pitter patter, comma, pitter patter. Okay, now second one. The raindrops fall on the dash. Okay, where the raindrops fall? Yes, window pane. Okay, the raindrops fall on the window pane. W-I-N-D-O-W, window, P-A-N-A, pane. Window pane. Okay, now third one. The rain does not let the child dash. The rain does not let the child dash. Okay, when the rain is coming, the child does not play. P-L-A-Y, play. The rain does not let the child play. Okay. B Roman, pitter patter is a sound word. Do you know, children? This one is a sound word, you know? Yes, pitter patter is a sound word. Underline the sound words in these sentences. See, children, in this B section we have some sentences are there. Then in these sentences we have here some sounds are there. Okay, what are the sounds we have to underline? Okay, children. Yes. Coming to the first one. Okay, what is the first one, mom? The bird tweeted on the tree. Okay, what is the bird sound on the tree? Yes, the bird is tweeted. Okay, tweeted is the sound of bird. Okay, the bird tweeted on the tree. Tweeted on the tree. So first one is tweeted. Second one, thunder rumble in the sky. Okay, what is the sound of thunder? Yes, rumble. R-U-M-B-L-E-D, rumble. You have to underline that word. Okay, now third one. My books fell with a loud thump. My books fell. Okay, my books fell with a loud thump. Okay, what is sound of books fell? Thump. Okay, thump. You have to put the underline that word. What is that word? Thump. T-H-U-M-P, thump. Fourth one, Meher popped the balloon with a pin. Okay, he's popped the balloon with a pin. Okay, what is sound of balloon? Popped. P-O-P-P-E-D, popped. You have to put the underline that word popped. Okay. Now fifth one, water gushed down the streets after the rain. After the rain, water gushed down the streets. Okay, what is that answer? Gushed. G-U-S-H-E-D. Gushed. And now sixth one, Jenny jumped into the pool with a splash. Okay, Jenny jumped into the pool with a splash. Okay, where to the jump? Yes, he is jumping to the pool, into the pool with the sound of splash. With the sound of splash. You have to put the underline splash. S-P-L-A-S-H, splash. Okay. And now C Roman, tick the things you would like to do on a rainy day. Okay. First one, play outdoors. When the rain is coming in a rainy day, do you want to go outside and play? Okay. Is it do you like? You have to take that one. And you don't like? You have to cross out. Okay. Now second one, go for a picnic. In a rainy day, you want to go for a picnic. Third one, draw and paint. Third one, draw and paint. Fourth one, dance in the rain. Okay, in a rainy day, I want to dance in the rain. Okay, now fifth one, go for a walk. And sixth one, float paper boats. Okay, float paper boats. In a rainy day, you always we have to float paper boards. Okay. Do you want to like? You have to tick that one. You don't like? You have to cross out that one. Okay, all of you.